How to editing and moving the fixture. First, we click on the fixture window. Each grid represents a fixture, and the upper left corner of each grid represents the serial number of the fixture. Just as this fixture serial number is 27, then its upper right corner is the output line and address code of this fixture. For example, this lamp shows 1.369. It's on output line 1, and the address code is 369. This address code is 20. Serial number is 28. Then it is in output line 1, address code 377, and so on. Then we can press the Edit button. Then select the fixture, entering to the interface of editing fixture. Here, we can click on the name, and then in the input box, to modify the name of the fixture. For example, this is LED. LED light. Click Enter after entering. It shows up in the name here. It means that the modification has taken effect. And then we step back to the fixture window. The modified fixture name will synchronously display in the fixture window. Or we can edit it again. Select the fixtures we want to edit. We can choose whether to enable image display. Click to open the left side graffiti board. We can draw freely here, such as switch a color, and click the brush again. For example, this is an LED light. Then I will write LED, then click Apply. The drawn content will automatically fill the fixture grid. Or we can directly click on the graffiti board on the left. This allows quick access to the graffiti board. For example, I'll change it again here. I'll just draw randomly. Then click on the fixture grid. It will automatically replace the graffiti content. Or we can change the color and change it to blue. Click on the grid. It will quickly apply itself. This is a quick graffiti method. Let's take a look at this graffiti board. The first thing on this graffiti board is a paintbrush. The second is an eraser. The eraser can erase what we have drawn. Then the third is the thickness adjustment of the brush, or the thickness of an eraser. So here, I'm cutting to the paintbrush. When I redraw, it's the thickest paintbrush, and then the color of the paintbrush, or the filling color. For example, I change it to green and click on the brush. When I draw, it will be green, and then there's a brush to the right. This means to clear. There is a paint bucket next to the brush. This means the fill in color. This is create a new graffiti page. We can do quick graffiti. Then click on the grid we want to doodle. It will quickly autofill the graffiti content. If we clear the graffiti content, then click on the grade. The existing graffiti content will be cleared. How to move the fixture? Press Move button. Then select the fixture. For example, to move fixture 11 to 20. Click the target grid to move it. Select horizontal. It will move from left to right. To arrange the lamps like this, press the Move button. First, give the command. Then select fixture. Then choose where we want to move to. Click the target grid to move it. We can select the option we need to use, such as horizontal. Sort fixtures from left to right. This is about how to move fixture.